This was Elkhart, Indiana to Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. I'm here already. I just forgot to do a video, so I thought I would check it in now with you before I go to deliver this. Some of them have these weird hanger type of dealios where you can hang clothes and stuff. My guess is this is a dry cleaning laundry van. That would be my guess, but it could be used for anything. The funny thing is it's got strobes on the back. So maybe it is more of a tool van, work van, highway van or something. But it's got strobe lights in the back, which I'll show you in a minute. Manual lift for the door on the inside, and then they got a switch on the outside. Lots of E-track, and then they do have the one shelf. So it's a regular step van, but it's a modified one that they took, made for their own uses. That's all I'm packing with me today is that. And my paperwork to get filled out. Up here, as you can see, they swapped that out with a bright yellow thingy. They have different options for lighting up there than the normal ones do. They have that, but it's only said as a backup camera. I don't know exactly for sure why they would use all that space up in the world for a backup camera. They do have their own modified radio and Bluetooth player, which I haven't gotten the Bluetooth to work. I just use my own all the way down there, and do have the nice subs. So whoever got this set up for them is into music anyway, whatever their job is doing. And then they made sure to have cruise control, which that's a damn good thing. I probably would have refused it when I saw it. I'd seen that they didn't have cruise control, so I decided I would take it. It's a 900-mile trip. It's too short to even make any money on, unless I take the bus back for a day. Well, almost a day worth. It's in 23 hours. That's the only way I make any kind of money. I'd make about maybe a $300 profit if I take the bus back. Maybe. But then that's the bus right back to Elkhart. If I fly back, I'm not gonna make nothing in terms of profit. Mostly, I just did this as a favor for Quality Drive Away because they needed this thing finally moved. Because I don't know, it's been sitting there 6 months or something. They were threatening not to get it anymore if they can't deliver it or something. So I just did a favor for dispatch. I'll go show you the outside of the strobe. Pretty long van's got the metal back lift and the strobe in the back. Pretty bright yellow strobe lights on the switch. Good thing I came back here because I forgot to get my plate. Like and subscribe. Catch you on the next video. Like and subscribe, leave comments. Catch you later. Peace.